قد يكون موجودا خلفك. توجد سترات النجاة في أسفل مقعدكم في الدرجة السياحية وأسفل مسند الذراع الأوسط في درجة رجال الأعمال. في حالة الإخلاء المائي أخرجوا سترة النجاة من المحفظة ثم أدخلوها في الرأس وثبتوا المشبك وأحكموا ربط الشريط حول الخصر. وقبل مغادرة الطائرة عند المخرج يجب سحب الأطراف الحمراء لتنتفخ سترة النجاة تلقائيا. لنفخ السترة يدويا يرجى النفخ بواسطة الأنابيب. كما أن سترة النجاة مزودة بمصباح إضاءة يعمل تلقائيا عند ملامسته للماء. وعند مغادرة الطائرة من مخارج الأجنحة يتعين نفخ سترة النجاة خارج الطائرة أو فوق الأجنحة. لاستعداد الإقلاع يرجى التأكد من إغلاق الطاولات الموجودة أمامكم وإعادة ظهر المقعد إلى الوضع العمودي وإنزال مسند الذراع. كما نرجو إغلاق مسند القدمين إذا كان متوفرا. يرجى التأكد من فتح ستارة النافذة وربط حزام المقعد بإحكام قبل الإقلاع والدخول وعند إضاءة إشارة ربط الأحزمة. لا يسمح باستخدام أجهزة الاستقبال والإرسال اللاسلكية أثناء الرحلة ويتعين إغلاق جميع الهواتف والأجهزة الإلكترونية الأخرى عند الإقلاع والهبوط. لمزيد من المعلومات يرجى قراءة بطاقة تعليمات السلامة الموجودة في جيب المقعد أمامكم. شكرا لحسن انتباهكم. نتمنى لكم رحلة ممتعة مع الطيران العماني.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Oman Air. Please pay attention to this safety video.
Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome. Greeting. Marhaba. Before takeoff, please ensure that your baggage is placed in the overhead compartment or is placed underneath the seat in front of you. Your seatbelt should be fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated by pushing the metal tab into the buckle and tightening by pulling the strap. After takeoff, you may unfasten your seatbelt when the seatbelt sign is off by lifting the metal flap. However, we advise you to keep your seatbelt fastened in case of unexpected turbulence. In case of a loss in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop down from the panel above you. Pull the mask down sharply to activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. The mask can be adjusted by tightening the elastic bands. Ensure that your own mask is correctly fitted before helping other passengers. A reminder, this is a non-smoking flight, including e-cigarettes. All toilets are fitted with smoke detectors. In the event of poor visibility, low-level lighting will guide you to your nearest exit. This aircraft has 8 emergency exits, 4 on the right and 4 on the left. Evacuation slides are located at the front and the rear exits. In the event of water evacuation, rear exits should not be used. Please familiarize yourself with the nearest exit, which may be located behind you. Life jackets are located underneath your seat in economy class and in a pouch under the center armrest in business class. In water evacuation, remove the life jacket from its pouch, slip it over your head, clip and tighten the straps around your waist. Prior to leaving the aircraft at the exit, pull the red toggles to inflate the life jacket automatically. To inflate it manually, blow into the tube. Life jackets are fitted with a light which will illuminate automatically in water. When leaving the aircraft through the wing exits, the life jacket must be inflated outside the aircraft or on the wing. We are now preparing for takeoff. Ensure your tray table is stowed, the seat back is in an upright position with armrest down and footrest stowed if available. Please ensure window blinds are open and your seatbelt is securely fastened prior to takeoff, landing, and whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. The use of radio receivers and transmitters are not permitted during the flight. The use of mobile phones, tablets, and other electronic devices are not permitted during takeoff and landing. For further information, please read the safety instruction card located in the seat pocket in front of you.